Okay, this is a quick video on the Nissan Hardbody VG30DE engine swap. You can see the engine right there taking up the bay. Takes about the entire thing. Here's some unfinished wiring which needs to find a home. There is where the brake booster was. I converted it to a just manual brakes because there's no room for the booster. Here you can see the air intake. It's just a temporary cone filter with the mass airflow meter here. Right now, is my 4-core aluminum racing radiator with a pusher fan mounted on it because there was no room on the inside there. Put some nipples on here to run our vacuum lines. I simplified the vacuum system. If you look down here, you can see the engine mounts. I might try to get a shot from underneath. Right there you can see the dampener. It's a Ford Ranger dampener I used. And then the actual engine mount you can see right there. It bolts up to the engine plate and right down to the dampener itself. And here you might be able to see where I lobbed off some of the oil pan to make it shorter. I also put a little dent in it there to clear that sway bar. Here underneath you can see that's another alternator that's going to be removed. I was trying to mount the alternator there so I could run a Quest alternator so it gets 120 amps, but I ended up being able to barely fit an alternator. I'm not sure what it is. I think it might be out of like a Altima or something like that. It's just slightly smaller because there was just no room. I'm running the 300ZX power steering pump, and and I'm running that straight to the Hardbody steering system. All I did is just put the hoses on that. So here's a quick video of the project as it's going now. So the truck's kind of in rough shape, but there's the general idea of it. I'll post some more videos later as it comes along a bit more. Alright, thank you. Like this. Thanks.